Irregular plurals in English. Do you think learning English plurals is easy? Think again. Some words just don't follow the rules. Today we're going to learn 27 irregular plurals in English, starting with simple words like child, children, and ending with tricky ones like phenomenon, phenomena. Let's start simple. These are words you hear every day.
Child, children.
One child is playing inside, two children are playing football.
Man, men.
I saw a single man walking his dog in the park. I saw two men walking their dogs in the park.
Woman, women.
A woman sat on the bench reading her book. The two women were laughing as they walked down the street.
Tooth, teeth.
Their baby has one new tooth coming in. My little brother has a lot of loose teeth.
Foot, feet.
He put his foot in his mouth again. They ran so fast their feet barely touched the ground.
Mouse, mice.
My cat caught a mouse in the house last night. We have a problem with mice in the attic.
Goose, geese.
We saw a large white goose swimming in the pond. A large flock of geese flew south for the winter. Now, a bit harder, some of these words are less common but still useful.
Person, people.
Her grandmother is a kind and gentle person. There were too many people at the concert last night.
Ox, oxen.
The farmer only had to use one strong ox to pull his heavy plow. The team of oxen worked together to pull the covered wagon.
Die, dice.
She rolled a six-sided die. He threw his lucky dice on the craps table.
Los, lice.
The school nurse found one louse on the student's head. The children had to be sent home from school due to a head lice outbreak.
Cactus, cacti.
My friend has one small cactus on her windowsill. The desert's landscape was filled with various types of cacti.
Fungus, fungi.
He found one strange-looking fungus growing on the rock. The forest floor was covered in a variety of colorful fungi. Let's get into academic English. These appear in books, science articles, and in the news.
Appendix, appendices.
The book's author included an appendix with extra notes. The historical documents contain several appendices with maps and photos.
Criterion, criteria.
You must meet this one criterion to pass the exam. The judges used a specific set of criteria to evaluate the projects.
Datum, data.
A single datum point was missing from the spreadsheets. The scientist analyzed the data to find a new pattern.
Thesis, theses.
Her doctoral thesis was a comprehensive study on climate change. The university archives contains hundreds of master theses from past students.
Phenomenon, phenomena.
This scientific phenomenon is rare. Scientists have studied many phenomena like this. And now for our advanced learners.
Basis, basis.
The fundamental basis of her argument was a single scientific study. The project's success was built on two key bases: strong teamwork and clear communication.
Diagnosis, diagnoses.
The doctor's diagnosis was a simple case of the flu. The medical team reviewed the patient's test results to determine the correct diagnosis.
Hypothesis, hypotheses.
The scientists tested her hypothesis with a series of experiments. The scientists developed several new hypotheses based on their initial research findings.
Axis, axes.
The math axis on the graph helped us see the math axes clearly. And there's your lesson on irregular plurals. I hope that you learned something new today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help more people learn English the fun way. Freestyle American English.